You can have all of this, and I have no control of what you put in. Ay, ay, ay.
It's okay. It'll probably be mostly me saying really dumb stuff and you just looking at me like, why are my friends with her? Why did I trust her to put stuff on my face? I'm glad I'm not on camera.
Why? Come on, take a little peek.
I'm too short. Ew. Ready? Go! Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something super fun. I have my friend Rebecca here, and I did a makeup look on her. So, Rebecca.
Hi! My name's Rebecca. Nice to meet you.
They're not up there, they're down here.
I was looking at the camera.
Oh.
You see? Nice to meet you.
But today, I did a look on her. This beautiful purple unicorn look that I did on her.
Yes.
She's the second person I've ever done makeup on.
And you're the first person to ever do makeup on me.
I feel so special.
You should.
I feel really special. She trusted me to do it.
Yeah, duh. Anyway.
So, if you like this video, make sure comment, like, subscribe, follow us on Instagram and YouTube's and all the things.
Let's get on with the video.
Let's get on with the video because they can be forever.
The Metal Matte Palette.
Does that count on D?
Yeah. This is so wild. No one else has ever done my makeup.
Really?
You are the first person to ever do my makeup.
You're the second person I'm putting makeup on, so I hope this turns out fine.
I always do other people's makeup.
You have really nice, pretty eyes, too.
Thanks.
They're nice and big. Mine are tiny and squinty.
Mine are huge.
I like it, though.
Thanks.
You have big eyes like my cousin.
You like my eyebrow scar? The 2 dots?
Oh, yeah. I thought those were freckles.
No, they're not. It was an eyebrow piercing.
Oh, that's right. I think I've seen pictures of you with your piercing. What?
I'm just watching you. This is amazing.
It made me so funny. Like, you start smiling and I'm like, she's smiling because I'm doing something bad? I'm trying not to stab you in the eye because I really get in there and I'm trying to figure it out. I did it with my cousin the first time. And I was like, let me know if I'm like stabbing you in the eyeball. And she pretty much almost fell asleep.
Like, do you know what the finished look is going to be?
I'm going for like a purple,
Sweet.
smoky look.
Do you like editing or recording better?
Editing.
Yeah.
When I can do a voiceover.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I like it. I actually am really liking doing those like little mini ones for Instagram too.
Yeah, that's awesome. You should do an IGTV. Is that what it is? Yeah.
Yeah.
You should do one of those videos.
I didn't think I could, and then I went to post that first one, and I was like, oh, IGTV or 1 minute video. I was like, interesting.
They're both good.
Yeah. So I'll have to check that out.
Yeah.
Here's a fun and interesting story.
I'm down.
So, I like to play around with accents.
Okay.
I don't know if I'll keep this in the video.
Oh no, you're keeping this is staying in the video, and if it's not, I'm gonna be disappointed in you.
So, I like to play with them. Hashtag only child. Only sibling, no entertainment. So, I used to love watching different movies and entertaining myself. And so now, I know people who are Australian.
Oh yeah.
That no longer have the accent because they don't live there anymore.
Yeah.
But for some random reason, I watched 2 girls from Australia. And you look that way. And I did it one day.
Let me hear it.
It's very small. I can say one word and then it might take me a hot minute to say a sentence.
Okay, go.
So, saying the word no, you say no.
Aww. It's so cute.
What was it? I don't know how long I'll be gone, but I'll be gone for about a week.
Whoa! That was solid! That was good!
So now...
Wait, do that again.
I don't know how long I'll be gone, but I'll be gone for about a week.
Oh my god, that's really cute! Oh my god! Okay, delete this channel, start over with a new name, and only speak in that accent. What other plans do you have for YouTube?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I just like, I love what I'm doing.
Mm-hmm.
I just want to keep doing more. Like, I would have loved to do some festival looks.
Yeah.
Like, everything's canceled.
I know.
So, I got so inspired. I was like, I'm going to do some stuff, get like crazy, get glitter everywhere.
You can still do it.
So maybe I'll still do it and be like, hashtag Staychella.
Yeah. Yes. I love that idea.
So I think doing that, I would love to do stuff more with my friends because I'm not alone. Even though my Instagram proves otherwise. So I don't have any pictures of anybody.
I'm same, actually. No, actually, my YouTube videos...
No, you take that back. You have friends in your videos.
No, on my YouTube videos, it's usually with other people.
Yeah. I like those,
I'm super weird alone.
I feel like I'm more weird. I feel like I'm more weird now, but I feel like that's because I have...
I'm more comfortable with other people.
Really?
Yeah, because I can talk to them.
Oh, I guess that's nice.
Yeah.
I mean, this is nice.
Excuse me.
Let me just tell him I'm busy. Hello? Hey there. Hey. How's your day going? Good. I'm right in the middle of filming. Okay. Bye. Okay. Okay, bye. I love you.
That was cute. You're keeping that in, too. That was cute. You're keeping it in.
Okay, Dad.
Hey peeps, I wanted to pop in here really quickly and let you know a little bit about what I have been doing with her eye look so far since Rebecca and I have been chit-chatting. We first went in with the color Silk, which was this beautiful purple mauvey shade, and we used that as the transition color. We then popped into another palette of hers. It was a Morphe one, but that didn't have any names on it. But it was just a nice version, a little bit darker than what we went in initially with that transition shade. The final shade that we used was Ribbon, which came from that same Kat Von D palette. And I used my Morphe M441 brush pretty much for this entire look. I only used a couple other brushes to finish off the look completely. So nothing crazy, nothing too fancy. Just deepening up those outer corners so that I got the desired look that I was going for with this purple smoky eye. And now that we're done with her eyes, I'm going to go in and start applying her foundation. The one that she had with her is her Lancome foundation. Unfortunately, I don't have the name or the shade that she used, but this foundation is really beautiful. I just blended it all out using a beauty blender, and it's good, guys.
What foundation do you use?
I either use the Fenty Longwear Hydrating one, which is the new one I just got, I think a couple months ago. Or I use the NARS Tinted Moisturizer.
Nice.
In both shades, everybody is very surprised on how light I actually can wear a foundation. And then it makes me realize how light I guess I really am. You're trying to sit straight.
Yeah. Get the chin in there.
And then once again, making sure she's all nice and blended out.
What concealer do you use?
I use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. What did I use before? I think I used one from Sephora at one point.
I always use this.
And then I want to try some other ones. I've seen people use Makeup Revolution. I used to use a lot from like CoverGirl, Revlon. I try some different ones. I know with the what is it called? The Fenty one. Now they have matching concealers to go with the foundations that you pick. So like if you're 250, then you would use 250 concealer, because that's the hardest thing I wish for me to find is one that fits. That's not too dark, that's not too light. Because I'll be honest, you said that I don't look that pale.
Yeah, no, you don't look pale.
So every time I go in, they always try to give me shades that are like significantly darker.
Yeah.
So I went into Sephora, because this was when I was buying the Sephora concealer, and I was like, okay, this one's too dark. Like, I'm much lighter than I was, a few weeks ago. So I need a lighter shade. She goes, oh, okay. She goes up like 4 or 5 shades. I was like, wrong direction.
Yeah.
She goes, so what do you think of this one? And she was like, I think that's too.
Now that we're finished with her foundation and concealer, I'm just going to go in and set her entire face with some setting powder. I believe it was a banana setting powder. Not 100% sure. I think that's right. Then once we're done with that, I'm going to go ahead and start bronzing her face. So around her cheekbones, her temples, up a little bit on her forehead, and around her jawline. I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. And I just mixed 2 colors on a fluffy brush and just did circular motions around her face where I wanted to add a little depth of bronzer. Once I'm done with bronzer, I'm going to hop in using that same fluffy brush. I'm going to pick up a Sephora, I believe it was like a dusty rosy shade that she had for me. So I'm just going to apply that to her cheeks, mixing it up into that bronzer so that we have a nice kind of airbrushed look to her. And I just did this for both sides of her cheeks. Moving on to our final step of the face before we head into brows, highlighter. She had this beautiful Becca highlighter in the shade Pearl, and it is gorgeous. It gives a very nice and natural illumination to the skin without being too in your face. Really, really beautiful. Then I'm just going to go in and do her brows, the one thing that I absolutely can't stand in my routine, but she apparently loves brows. So doing brows on myself is one thing. Doing brows on somebody else is a whole nother realm of craziness. And especially using a pomade. I've never used a pomade in my entire life. So this was very nerve-wracking for me to go in here and not only sculpt somebody else's brows, but also use a product that I'm not familiar with at all. But we were using the Anastasia Brow Pomade, and I think I did a pretty decent job filling it in, giving her some light and lift to her face. So, yeah. I didn't go too crazy. I think she does her brows way differently than I do, and they look really pretty, but I think I did pretty good trying to figure out how to use it. And I think it worked out really well. Her brows look pretty, and she looked really pretty in the end. So I'm rolling with it, guys. Rolling, rolling, rolling. We are in the home stretch, you guys. We are almost completely finished with this makeup look. The final step that I'm going to do to complete this eyeshadow look before we go in with lashes is to just buff those two colors that we used in the transition shade, Ribbon and Silk. I'm going to first go in with Silk since it is the darker shade of the two. And I'm going to buff that first on the lower lash line, and then I'm going to use Silk to buff that out. So we have no harsh lines and everything blends super seamlessly together, and the top and the lower lash line really look cohesive. So I'm just going to quickly do that a little bit, building up that pigmentation and buffing it out. I believe I'm using a brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Palette. So just using that to quickly finish off this eyeshadow look.
I'm keeping that.
Oh my god. I don't know why I do this. You can already tell
the many feelings of Rebecca.
So she's gone in and popped on some Ardell faux lashes to complete her eye look, and I am adding Kat Von D Liquid Lipstick Lolita to her lips to finish off this makeup look.
Okay, well, this is the makeup look, guys.
Doesn't she look pretty?
Thanks. She did this. I mean, I did the eyelashes, but that's it.
Well, you fixed your lips, too.
Oh, it's okay. Whatever. It looks really good, though. Yeah! Follow me at White L Rebecca, so that's WHITELREBECCA. That is my Instagram, and my YouTube is just Rebecca White.
Stevens M. Nicole on Instagram.
I scream.
He wants love so bad.
Not the really